Actually, while I'm at it, I'll do the video right after this. Right after this. Like a second after I started it. And then I was like, maybe I'll do rid of this. I just got this yesterday. It's unplug it for a second. It's an Opolar Box Fan, 5 speeds, which is impressive for a little 8-inch fan. It can be run on USB. It can run off a power bank too. I'll just show it from the outlet, but I'll show you. You can do it from. I'm not gonna put it in the basement because I only have USB in the basement, but then it has an AC adapter. I'm gonna make this video quicker. Well, the 5th speed is natural wind, but it has 4 different speeds. And timer, which is super nice. Love you one day, Mr. Crab. So, let's take a look at the control panel. 1, 2, 3, 4. The natural wind, it blinks on all of them. You know what natural wind is? It does like different modes. Like it's a breeze outside. And then timer, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. To the side. Back. And this stand's adjustable. I'll put it all the way down. It's just like a normal box fan. Fold it up once. Tiny bit higher, no difference really. This is how I had it before. I just think that was nice. Next one. Big difference actually. And that's the highest one. Okay, let's go back to how I had it. So now let's run it. I'll show you it off just my power strip, I guess, first. I'm not going to bring it all the way down to the basement to get USB, to do USB, so on low speed it's like 7. Anything's watching it at head still. That's well. Goes like nowhere. But it's like 7. Turn it to speed 2. This would be a better wall speed, I suppose, a bit of a speed 3. Then speed 4. And I'll show you what natural wind does. Let's see. Just put it on natural wind for a little while. See? High. Off. I want to make sure it comes on. Wow. Okay. Now let me get a power bank, because I'm pretty sure it works off of power bank. I think we have one down here. I don't know what it is, actually. Wait, I found it. I think it will work off of this. Here we go. Let's see. Got a little power bank. No. Turn on. No. It would be like wrong way. Or the power to the power bank is off. Now let's try. You can see the green lights go. Use a power bank to power it. Maybe one day, Mr. Krabs. I said turn off. Maybe one day, Mr. Krabs. Anchor. Turn off. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.